day, y'all. So I know I'm looking all busted and crusty and stuff because I am coming out with a cold. Because it's bipolar weather in North Carolina. But anyways, it's my day off, and I was like, okay, trying to make today a little productive. I received my desk that I ordered from Lowe's 2 days ago, and so I was like, okay, you know something, I'm gonna tackle this, and I'm gonna try to put this desk together. And I was like, I hope it goes well, because when I opened the box and I seen so many pieces, I was like, I'm not sure about this, but I did it. And I took little clips and pictures as I went along. This is a janky video, let you know ahead of time. So it's not really a how-to per se, because I didn't record me actually doing it. Because I didn't want y'all to see me stopping to blow my nose and all that nasty stuff or whatever. But yeah, I just really want y'all to see that, hey, girl tried to put a desk together and I succeeded. That's all. That's all. So check it out. So I decided to turn a closet into a little office or whatever, and I just purchased a desk from Lowe's, and I'm just gonna show y'all some janky clips of me trying to put it together. I didn't record it because I wasn't sure if I was gonna know how and how it was gonna go. Also, I'm sick, if you can probably tell in my voice right now, so you just don't want to see me. But yeah, it actually didn't go so bad. It took me a while. It took me about like 2 hours, maybe a little over 2 hours, because I kept getting stuck. I wasn't sure about certain things and where it's supposed to go, because the instructions only came with pictures. Usually I would just go based upon the pictures, but yeah, this time I needed some words and I didn't have any. But this is the final product, and I like it. Hopefully it's right.